Hello, my name is Ivaras and welcome to Open Source at Home YouTube channel where you can learn open source from home, at home, on home, in home, and etc. Today we are deep diving into a sleek and simple tool that every designer should know about it, that surprisingly not many do. It's called Fontbase, a free and modern font manager that's so easy to use you won't need a single tutorial to get started it. However, there are several tutorials created by Garrett David Studio. Check it out here on YouTube. So what is a Fontbase? Fontbase is a cross-platform font manager available for Windows, macOS and Linux. It's designed by designers for designers and it shows in its clean interface and focus on speed. Whether you're managing hundreds of fonts or just getting started with typography, Fontbase gives you a fast, intuitive way to preview, activate and organize your fonts. Why it's so great? First of all, Fontbase has a free version which is actually very good. But is having a paid version which costs only a few bucks a month, but for most cases free version is enough. Second is extremely fast. Unlike some bulky alternatives, this app opens quickly and runs smoothly, even with large font library. The interface is minimal but powerful. You can type custom preview, text, change size, color and instantly see how font feels in the context. Need quick access to your favorite fonts? Just pin them. The next time you open the app, they'll already be there. You can also group fonts, activate or deactivate them on the fly, or even sync fonts from Google Fonts directly in the app. Key features: preview in real time with custom text. Pin and organize your favorite fonts. One-click activation. Use fonts without permanently installing them. Google Fonts integrations. Thousands of fonts on your fingertips. Cross-platform support for Windows, macOS and Linux. A beautiful minimal interface that focuses on usability. If you're looking for advanced font editing or metadata features, this might not be that for you, but for day-to-day font browsing and management, it's incredible. Final verdict: Fontbase is one of the best fonts managers out there, especially for independent designers, students and digital artists. It's free, easy to use and gets out of your way so you can focus on creativity. If you haven't tried it, go download it, give it a spin. You won't need a tutorial and you might just wonder how you live without it. If you found this video useful, give you a like, don't forget to subscribe for more open source tools you can use at home, and we will see you in the next video.